Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute rose in a cylinder-shaped vase? Well, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off by printing the letter S. Okay, and from this point, we are going to do a little swirl, just like that, okay? And then from this corner, we're gonna bring sort of like a curved line and back up, okay? Just gonna highlight this part here. All right, so now we will draw parts of the rose. So right here, we're gonna do a little curved line, just like that. So this is part of the stem. And then we're gonna draw a line down and another line down. Okay. Now, I'm also gonna draw a cylinder as the vase. So we're just gonna draw an oval shape just like that. We're gonna continue the stem, okay? And for a cylinder, 2 lines down. Okay. And curved line across. And a curved line across. Just like that. Okay, so we're gonna draw the little thorn here, just a little sort of like a triangle shape. And we'll draw one little leaf. So the line will be curved just like that. And then we can just draw a line in the middle and then diagonal lines across. And we could also add another little thorn here, another triangle, and here. And actually here, we're just gonna draw another sort of like a pointy shape here, okay? And I'm going to color our rose red. Okay. So roses are one of the oldest flowers, and each rose color has a different meaning. The tallest rose bush is about 5.6 meters high. There's many different roses, okay? So the scent of the rose is one of the most treasured characteristics. So the Greeks and the Romans made perfume from roses, okay? So they're actually used for many perfume blends. Okay, so I'm gonna color the stem green all the way down. And the rose is known as the queen of flowers. And it's a symbolism of love, royalty, beauty, okay? And mysticism. Okay, here I am coloring the little leaf, the little thorns. Now, for a cylinder, I'm going to use purple. Our little vase here. And I'm just gonna color it all the way down. So it's nice if you want to give a rose maybe to your mom, if it's a special occasion, or to a friend. Okay, now I'm just going to touch here around where we did our little letter S. We're just going to extend it, okay? So I'm going to just color a little bit more around it. Before I go, I have a cute little poem to share with you. Roses are red, violets are blue. I hope you like the rose that I drew for you. Until next time, my friends, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.